To connect to this rectangular duct, we are going to use one of the two pickup commands. There are two lines, therefore we use the two-line pickup command. Select the duct, then right-click to select Circular Transformation. Choose 450 for diameter and then select Centered. Continue drawing. Right-click and choose Change Diameter. Change it to 250. The reduction is also centered. Now a simple click creates the elbow and the conduit. Right-click to create another reduction by choosing Change Diameter. Change it to 160 with an off-centered reduction. Continue the duct, and then right-click to choose Cap.